Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Fiverr versus Upwork in 2025. Which platform is better for freelancers? Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, let's break it down. 1. Ease of getting started. Quick setup. Create a gig and start selling. Upwork requires profile approval and connects you with clients via proposals. 2. Payment structure. Set fixed prices per gig with the option for extras. Upwork offers hourly and fixed contracts, giving more flexibility. 3. Fees and earnings. Fiverr takes 20% of earnings per order. Upwork is 10 to 20% based on client billing history. 4. Job opportunities. Fiverr, best for creative services, quick projects, and passive income. Upwork, ideal for long-term contracts and professional services. 5. Client interaction. Clients order your gig with minimal negotiation. Upwork requires sending proposals and active client engagement. Which one is better? Choose Fiverr if you want quick gigs, less client interaction, and passive sales. Go with Upwork if you prefer long-term projects, higher-paying clients, and direct proposals. That's a wrap on Fiverr versus Upwork in 2025. Which platform do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more freelancing insights.